So we're walking along 7 Mile Beach in Grand Cayman. That's the Caribbean Ocean out there. These are the condos or whatever. It's the Sovereign. Set on the list. It's about 80 degrees out, and the water's about 78 or 80. Felt cold when you first got in it, but then it wasn't anymore. Let's go in it right now, in fact. There's a little bit of a drop there, and there's a little bit of pieces of coral and shell, but the sand is very fine, very fine. So, we walked from the ships back there. I don't know if you can see them. There's 3 in port today, ours and 2 others. Every so often, the main road is right on the other side of these condos, and every so often there's a beach access point. There's one right behind us there at the Royal Palms Beach Club. So a cab ride to there is $5 a person, each way though. But the beaches are public, so these people are all just off the cruise ships or whatever. I can tell by the towels, the color of the towels.